Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will see how we can easily install NLTK library on Python Windows 10. So NLTK is Natural Language Toolkit which is used to build Python programs. So at first we will install Python current version as well as pip. Pip is used to install any package or library on Python. So we need to install a library NLTK, so we will use pip. We will also install IDLE. IDLE is an ID for running Python program. So we will also run a sample NLTK program after installing NLTK library. So let's see. Let us begin with installing Python current version, pip as well as IDLE. Let's begin. Go to the browser. Here and type Python. After typing, press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Welcome to python.org. Click on it. On clicking, you can see the official website. Herein, just keep your mouse cursor on download. And herein you can see download for Windows is visible. You can also check here that 3.9 plus versions cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. That means Windows 7 XP won't be able to install 3.9.6. So I'll just click on it to download. You can see it is for Windows only. We are installing on Windows 10, so it's fine. Let's click on it to download. After clicking, you can see it's only 24 MB. It will take some seconds to download. Just wait. So we downloaded it, guys. Double click on it to install. Let us minimize this. Herein, guys, you can see installer is visible. At first, just set the path by just checking the box for add Python 3.92 path. It's very important. You can straight away click on install, or you can customize the installation. I always prefer customize installation so that we can check that what we are installing. Click on it. So herein you can see documentation. It will install pip. I told you pip is used to download and install Python packages. So we are installing pip. IDLE is an ID for Python. You can run your programs there itself. I'll show you later. Test suite and PyLauncher also. I think it's fine. Now we will click on next. Advanced option install for all users. You can select it if your system is used by more than one people. I am the only person using this system, but still I always prefer to check this option. Rest keep as it is, and herein it will create a folder Python 3.9 in program files. If you want to change the location, click on browse. But I think this is fine. I'll click on cancel and keep the same location. Now let us click on install. So the installation started. You need to wait for a few minutes. Here you can see, guys, the setup is completed. Now we'll click on close. So guys, we installed Python 3.9.6, the current version, ideally, as well as pip. So let us verify the installation. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt. Here is the command prompt. At first, type the following command to verify that whether we have installed Python correctly or not. So the command is python space hyphen hyphen version. Press enter. Here it is, the current version is visible. That means we have successfully installed it. So goes the same for pip. To check for pip correct installation, type pip space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. Here it is, we have successfully installed it. Now guys, we need to install NLTK. I told you before, pip is used to install and manage Python packages and libraries. So that's why we installed pip. Now we will use pip to install NLTK. Pip install NLTK and press enter. That's it. It will first download, then it will install the NLTK library. We will also verify the installation. Press enter. So guys, as you can see here, we have successfully installed NLTK. The same is visible here. Now guys, we will check that we have installed it successfully or not. Go to start, type IDLE. Since we installed IDLE while installing pip, it is visible here. Click on open to open it. Here is our IDLE. Now let us print the library since we have installed it. Import NLTK. Press enter. Now you can see it is not showing any error. That means we have successfully installed it. Now let us print something. NLTK and press enter. It will show you the NLTK version installed. Press enter. Here you can see 3.6.2. You can verify here. It was 3.6.2. So that means we have successfully installed NLTK library. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install NLTK library. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.